हेलो हाय एवरीवन। आज का वीडियो इज गोना बी ऑल अबाउट कतान सिल्क सूट्स। सो बहुत सारी वैरायटी दिखाने वाली हूँ आपको कतान सिल्क सूट्स की, मीनाकारी के साथ, कड़वा बुटास के साथ, लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ कतान सिल्क सूट्स इन डिफरेंट वेरिएशन। सो द फर्स्ट वन आई एम होल्डिंग, इट्स अ प्योर कतान सिल्क सूट। इसका आपने पहले भी हमारे पास देखा होगा। इसका एक एक पीस एक एक कलर आता है हमारे पास एंड इट्स गॉन। So this is a very nice cream base color and with a lot of meenakari. You can have a close look, then I'll open up the piece for you. So this is the dupatta, and dupatta may be, you can see self weaving is there. So I'm just going to open it up. The bottom will be in plain base color ka silk, pure silk, and this is the kurta for you. नीचे दामन में border दिया है, as you can see. Back side में border नहीं है. I'm going to open up the dupatta. So guys, the suit I am wearing, उसका भी मैं आपको different colors and designs दिखाने वाले हूँ. So this is the dupatta for you. The price range for this one is 24,620 for a 3-piece silk suit set. The bottoms will be also in pure silk. So guys, ये जो मैंने सूट पहना है इसके थोड़े कलर्स और डिजाइन्स मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ. It's just I got it stitched so that you can have a look कि कैसा look आता है बनने के बाद. So this is the Kora silk dupatta with it. It's a gorgeous color combination of pink and yellow. I'm going to remove the dupatta for some time. बाद में I'll show you when I'm going to show the suits. So it will be a little quicker and faster for me to show you the suit sets as मुझे. Okay, this is a Katan silk again, a beautiful one. It's a pista green color with all these kadwa buttas and meenakari. So meenakari में kadwa buttas हैं. You can see ये back side है, sorry, ये plain bottom है with the border, and this is the back side, and these are the front buttas. स्लीव्स का भी फैब्रिक दिया है, बहुत सारा फैब्रिक है गाइस इसमें. 3 मीटर्स प्लस 3 मीटर्स तक फैब्रिक रहता है. सो यू कैन गेट देम नाइस. ओके, आई विल शो यू अ क्लोज अप फर्स्ट. These are the buttas, and we have all the pictures with us. In case you want to see the pictures, you can ask for the pictures. And guys, these suits are Instagram and Facebook exclusive pieces, so they might not be there on the they will not be there on the website. अगर आपको शॉप करना है, just take a screenshot, come on our WhatsApp number, ask for any questions, queries you have, and just go for the payment link, and the piece will be shipped to you. As you can see, tassels हो रखे हैं, the pieces are ready to go out. Only जिसमें bottom ready नहीं है, that will take 2 to 3 days for the bottom to get ready. Otherwise, mostly ये जो है, ये वाला जो मैंने आपको दिखाया पिस्ता ग्रीन, that is कतान by कतान, तो उसमें woven, the bottom is also woven together with the kurta and the dupatta. Even this one. So this is also a katan by katan. This is the front of the kurta. I'll open up the entire piece. पहले आपको front दिखा देती हूँ. Okay, आपने देखा मेरे हाथ से sleeves गिर गई हैं. So we have to at times separate the sleeves to get the tassels done. So this is the very very gorgeous color of hot pink. Guys, if you have not heard the good news, we are offering free shipping for international clients, and it is above 50,000 and above ka value. Your value of the invoice should be 50,000 and above, then you can qualify for the free shipping. So these are the sleeves, this is the front, and this is baki shipping within India. COD within India is totally free of any extra charge. Only for COD parcels we will ask for a token amount, and that's it. Like this suit is for 21,620. So you can pay 3,620 as a token amount. बाकी जो balance होगा 17,000-18,000 जो भी है, that you can pay by COD. So it's a gorgeous hot pink color with all this patterning. इसका मैंने आपको थोड़े दिन पहले एक ही कलर भी दिखाया था, red. It is available. इसका एक और पीस आया हमारे पास red में. So this is the उसी same suit का red color है. I'm not opening it up. The price is 21,620. Okay, now another gorgeous piece in my hand. ये this one is for 33,620 guys. The dupatta and the kurta are in kadwa. This is the kurta with all this chota booties in kadwa with a hint of meena. It's very nice chocolate brown color. Very rare you get this color. और थोड़ा सा slightly two tone है, तो bottom एक ही color में आएगा. That is the chocolate brown color. That will be in pure katan silk. And this is the kadwa jangla dupatta in Sona Rupa. It's a gorgeous piece, guys. You'll wear this piece for any wedding function or anywhere, and it will make you stand out. So this is a 2.5 meter का kurta 2.5 मीटर का बॉटम प्लेन सिल्क का एंड दिस दुपट्टा इट इज फॉर 33,620. So guys, this was okay. Moving on to the next. In case you're watching us from overseas and you don't have any tailoring options, अगर आपके पास अपने टेलर्स हैं पंजाब में, दिल्ली में, we are happy to ship it to them. अगर आपके पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है, then we can help you up with the stitching as well. It's not our forte, so we specialize in unstitched suit sets, dupattas, and fabrics. But in case you don't have any option, we'll help you out with that. That's not a problem. And this is a gorgeous color of mustard yellow. Yeah, it's again Katan by Katan silk suit set, 3-piece. Bottom bhi Katan mein hi wo hua hai, weave hua hai. And these are all karwa buttas. The back side is like this with chote booties. You can see the border below. Sleeves bhi hai andar. I'm just going to open it up and show it to you like this. It is slightly two-toned. हल्का सा ग्रीन का टिंच आ रहा है, हल्का सा, very light, but it's a beautiful shade. So this is the back side का border. This is the bottom का border, and the sleeves are attached at the end. These are the sleeves. So 3 meters होता है ये कुर्ता fabric, and you can easily get a nice A-line और थोड़ा flat कुर्ता. And this is the dupatta. The price range for this one is 20,620. So as you can see, tassels are done. They are ready to go out. It's a gorgeous colors. You can see this salvage. ये green color का यही tone उसमें आ रहा है. So that's the two tone you can see in the suit. Guys, as I told you, this is another Katan by Katan silk suit set. इसका ये bottom अलग किया हुआ है. You can see the border at the bottom. It's another gorgeous color of pink. Very nice shade of pink. So मैं आपको बोला मैं आपको बहुत सारी वैरायटी दिखाने वाली हूँ आज कतान सिल्क्स में. So कड़वा बूटास हैं, बॉर्डर है, देन छोटी बूटीज हैं बैक साइड में. You can see the sleeves का नीचे border and fabric for the sleeves. Okay guys, this is the dupatta with it. Even the dupatta is woven in kadwa, entire dupatta. बहुत सुंदर एक zigzag pattern दिया है दुपट्टे में. So this is the set for you, and the price is 20,620 for this set as well. Okay, now moving on to the one I am wearing. I'll first show you the dupatta. I'll carry my dupatta with it. It's in a kora. So ये भी कतान सिल्क के ही सूट सेट्स हैं guys, but इसमें दुपट्टा are in kora. So kora has its own, you can see the charm, the beauty, the femininity in this. So this is the और 4 corner की tassels हो रखी हैं. They look fabulous. This is the piece I wanted to show you. Guys, these won't be there on the website as I told you earlier. So the easiest and the best way is take a screenshot, come on our WhatsApp number, and this is the piece for you. It's nice purple shade. इसका bottom है. I'm just going to keep the bottom aside, and this is the Kora silk ka dupatta. You can see the beautiful tassels on it. 4 corner tassels done. So they look fabulous after wearing. You can see मेरा ये सूट कितना pretty लग रहा है. इसमें कुछ नहीं करना है आपको. You just have to get it stitched. So this is the dupatta with it. The price range for these suit sets is 20,620 for a 3-piece suit set. The back side you can see उसमें भी border दिया है. Use the borders nicely. They look very nice. Okay, जो मैंने पहना है इसी का same color I have. This is the bottom with the border. जैसे कि मेरी bottom में भी border है. मेरा color yellow है तो I think थोड़ा इतना दिख नहीं रहा है सब. And इस shade में बहुत pretty लग रहा है सारा का सारा work weaving का. So this is the design I am wearing. So you can see ऐसा आएगा ये panel पूरा front में. There is a border down. पीछे भी border है. Just use the borders nicely on your sleeves, slits, wherever you want to use them. And this is the dupatta with it. So these are very beautiful combination suits, contrast suits with the contrast dupatta. Same dupatta जो मैंने पहना है. And this is a purple and sea green का combination. So I'm just gonna remove my dupatta again. This one, another different design. So this is the bottom. Let me check. Yeah, this is the bottom. This is the kurta I'm holding. So this is the bottom, plain. इसमें border है. Yeah, the bottom has border. I think all the bottoms have borders. So this is the very nice shade of, again, a brown color, थोड़ा टू टोन में है. दिस इज द फ्रंट नेक बना हुआ है. कुछ भी नहीं करना है इन सूट्स में, जस्ट गेट देम स्टिच. एक अच्छी सी मल कॉटन की लाइनिंग देख के, we provide the lining as well, guys. It's 300 rupees a meter. Dye it and match it to the fabric and give it to you. So you can see the corner tassels, gorgeous pretty tassels done. And this is the combination. It's a, yeah, maroon brown के बीच का कुछ shade है. So these are the sleeves given on it, and this is the back side with small booties. So this was okay. एक और piece है मेरे पास. So अच्छा, एक दो pieces और हैं. Okay, this is the bottom again, guys. Sleeves हैं, bottom है, दोनों हैं इसमें with the borders. It's a very nice shade of grey, silver grey, very very pretty shade. बहुत rare आते हैं ऐसे shades and combinations. So this is the neckline done on it. So मैं जैसे कि I told you, these suits are ready एकदम पहनने के लिए. Just get it stitched, that's it, nothing to be done. कुछ ज़्यादा ज़रूरत नहीं है सोचने की क्या करना है क्या नहीं, and they are just ready to be worn. So this is the kurta for you, and the bottom I've kept aside. The dupatta is in maroon color, reddish maroon color. Okay, another gorgeous piece. This one is my favorite. I don't know, I can't pick a favorite. All the combinations are very pretty. Okay, this is the, let me check, मुझे खुद ही समझ नहीं आ रहा है कुर्ता कौन सा है. This is the bottom, guys. This is the bottom with the borders. बहुत सारे borders हैं जैसे कि you can see, and this is the kurta. फ्रंट बना हुआ है पूरा कुर्ते का. जस्ट यू हैव टू गेट अ नेकलाइन डन. जैसे मैंने इसमें ये नेकलाइन लिया है, आप कुछ भी नेकलाइन ले सकते हो. थोड़ा बहुत इसमें ज़्यादा ऑप्शन नहीं है, बट इसको थोड़ा बटन पट्टी और समथिंग यू कैन गिव इट, यू कैन गिव एन ओपनिंग एंड इट लुक्स फैबुलस. ज़्यादा कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो दिस इज अ रेड एंड ऑरेंज का कॉम्बिनेशन. यू कैन सी द फैबुलस दुपट्टा. ऑल दीज कलर्स आर सो फेस्टिव कि अभी सब फेस्टिव सीजन, वेडिंग आने वाली है, वेडिंग सीजन, so these can be worn. And the silk is so soft, very flowy and very soft. So guys, this was the last piece for the video. I hope you like the pieces. Just come on our WhatsApp number and we'll be there to help you out.